Well, summer is on its way and Creative Memories has come out with a collection that is going to make you run for the ocean waves faster than ever before. I know you all know what it feels like when you see this pretty box on your doorstep, and I can't wait to share with you all of the fun things that Electric Summer is going to bring you soon. Let's go ahead and start off with paper because, as we know, this is the base of all of our scrapbooking. So what better way to begin this little unveiling than to share with you all of the colors and textures of this paper pack. This paper has one of the brightest color sets that I've seen. I am just loving the teals mixed with the light purples and pinks, pops of orange and yellow. So much fun. So let's take a look at each of the papers that are included in this set. On one side, we have this so super cute clouds with kites. Very fun and light and almost tells a story in itself. And on the other side, we've got lots of fruits. This is so adorable for trips to the farmer's market, for even layouts that are, tutti frutti, you're so cutie. The varieties of possibilities are endless here, and it's so cute to be able to have all of these options. On to the next set, you guys. This purple is almost like a deep periwinkle. It's beautiful. It has got gorgeous starfish shells in this really fun diamond shape. And on the other side, do we have enough teal paper? I know I don't. And this is gonna make the perfect addition to my teal stash that I have so much of, but it's gonna keep on growing. The next paper set that we have is another deep, rich purple with what looks like starfish to me. So cute. They're just really whimsical and fun. And on the other side, we've got this very retro design of polka dots with stripes and triangles and just a lot of fun different textures here. The fun thing about this collection is that it really does not have to appeal just to summertime or pool time or beach time. It really reminds me a lot of the 90s for some reason. Very retro, very fun. Take a look at this deep bluish indigo purple paper here. I am loving this rich design of the almost like a bunch of suns and arches. Very beautiful, very much on trend with what you see in design right now. And I am loving that color. On the other side, can you get enough of sunglasses? This is so much fun. It's very color coordinated, even with both sides of these papers. I am just loving how they all look together. I definitely wouldn't use that for my childhood album that I'm working on. The next page, we've got this really luscious orange and yellow sun pattern. It's so fitting for anything, and it is just going to be versatile, again, for more than just summertime. And on the other side, this is what I like to call the Dorito paper. This is such a beautiful light print of yellow, lots and lots of triangle shapes. Just, again, so much fun. It reminds me so much of the 90s. Everything 90s is coming back. This next paper is, again, tons and tons of fun. We've got some lifesavers or life preservers along with the beach balls, and almost every color under the sun is here. Nice and rich and bold. Navies, reds, orange, yellows, teals. Very versatile. And on the other side, sprinkles. I love this so much for your ice cream sundaes and all of that. And it's just so versatile and so cute. Next, let's move on to stickers. As usual, Creative Memories has had the amazing icons beautifully designed. And we have, of course, the first page being icons. Loving these different colors, loving these shapes. The second one is the titles. I really love the fonts. They're very on trend right now. And of course, our border stickers. So let's take a closer look at the stickers. These are my favorite. I have been obsessed with stickers since I was a little girl, and these just blow me away with the fun designs and the different colors that we have. The icons are page 1 of our sticker set, and as you can see, we've got fun in the sun, some beautiful photo corners of some watermelon, an ice cream truck, paper airplanes, fish, SPF sun, splashes, sunglasses, beach bags, all the things that when you think of summer, even if it's just a state of mind, they're all set to go. This next page is another favorite because I'm loving all of the different fonts that we have here, very much on trend with what you see online and in design work. And so I think it is just an updated set of summertime and fun adventure sets to have. It just refreshes things that I've had in my collection, and I'm loving, loving, loving all of the quotes. Hello, summer, keeping cool, you are my sunshine, life's a beach, life is better in flip-flops, gonna coordinate really great with what you're gonna see next. And finally, the borders. Oh my gosh, totally matches the paper. So loving this super cute triangle texture that we have here. Loving the sun. The circle design is very, very cute. Loving it. And of course the splish splash. I can see myself needing to order several sets of this for the water alone. Keep in mind that you do not need to have summer layouts in order for this collection to work for you. Consider using metaphorical language in your titles. I splish splash for you. You are my sunshine. It doesn't have to always be what you see on the surface. Next up are the Electric Summer Embellishments. Not only are they the most gorgeous shapes and they're so much fun, but these are layered, meaning they already have the foam squares attached, and all you have to do is add your adhesive underneath. Let's start off with the palm tree with the beautiful sunset in the background with little splish splash. I'm loving these 3 dimensions, making it so artistic and so simple to just pop on a page. Let's take a look at the sand castle with the umbrella, the popsicles with the sprinkles on top, the beach blanket ready to go for a day in the sun, and my favorite right here, the SS Fun. This sailboat, it's so cute. Loving this little camera, like I was mentioning before. It's very retro, reminding me of the 90s. All of the colors, all of the shapes, so adorable. Look at this fan for air conditioning. Loving the fruit and loving the gemstone stickers, which are always a fan favorite. Next up, here we have our variety map pack. I love all of these titles and the different colors and fonts that they've put on here. Of course, you have your regular 4.5 by 6.5 photo mat and your 4 by 6 title cards ready to complete your album pages with some summer flair. These photo map packs are so versatile and fun. Again, I'm loving the fonts, very chic, super colorful, friends and sun, sand and sea. That sounds like the summer to me. And of course, you have the horizontal and the vertical look. Okay, beach happy on the other side, summertime, and the livin's easy. I'm loving the fruit. Just something that we haven't had in quite a long time. The tans will fade, but the memories will last forever. So just such a great addition to your page when you're really thinking of a title, or you have just a little bit of space on your page to add a little something. And these are just the best. I love these stripes, they're so cute. Of course, the watermelon, perfect for your own title, your own journaling. The clouds, like we saw before, the sunshine. Oh, this is so on trend, and I'm loving these colors. So I really love the versatility of both sides of these journal mats and photo mats. They are just fantastic. This teal is just my absolute favorite. So, so, so much fun. I am just living up, I don't know why, this reminds me of the 90s, this reminds me of my childhood. These shapes, it's like a modernized version. It's almost like transitional retro, right? Where we bring the past to the present and we modernize it just a little bit. Every color under the rainbow with a summer kiss on it. Love these photo mats. What would a Creative Memories full collection be without a border maker cartridge? I know that one of Creative Memories' best-selling products is our fabulous border maker cartridges. And so to have the Electric Summer flip-flop cartridge, I know it's gonna fly off the shelves, and here is what it looks like once it's already punched out. You're able to put this in any direction that you wish, horizontally or vertically, upside down, and when you put it on a piece of cardstock, the design just pops. I flip-flop for this. I am just loving it. And so adding some foam squares and adding some stickers to this embellishment as a fun little border is going to be the perfect touch to any album page. And use this to use puns. You know, I flip-flop for summer, I flip-flop for you, flip-flopping for school. And so it's really fun to have this border maker punch in my scrapbooking arsenal, and I think you're gonna love it as well. And to complete the Electric Summer collection, we have our gorgeous 12 by 12 Fast to Fabulous album, a beautiful rich fuchsia color along with some different hues of turquoise and mints, foiled and embossed, splishing and splashing all over the album. The inside of the pages are nothing short of versatile, beautiful, rich colors and designs and textures all over these, making it perfect for a child's album, for a school album, a girl's trip, a bachelorette party. The possibilities are endless because there's no one set theme in mind. Let's take a closer look at all these designs. The front of this album, I've said it before, it is just, it's so beautiful. But when I open this up, I look at a refreshed yet retro look of a design. These beautiful mint blue arches with a fun little triangle border ready to go. I love the little ribbon detail here on the bottom. Of course, very much on trend with what you see in paper design and journaling, and the sprinkles and the colors. Oh my gosh, there's so many options. I'm thinking my girls' trip to LA. I'm thinking this is great for my son's first and second years, school books and graduation albums and girls trips. I mean, I'm loving this. This doesn't even have to be for summer. I look at the sides and I think of sprinkles and how you can incorporate this into your albums, sprinkled with love and sprinkled with fun. There's just so many different options to take this album and these Fast Fabulous pages to the next level. Very simple designs, and when you add layered embellishments and stickers to this, it's one and done. Our goal is to get our pictures in albums, and there is no stress when it comes to creative memories and the way that they have designed their pages, because they know that time is valuable and we want to get the most out of our time when we're scrapbooking, and the more we can pop out, the better. Aren't these I should probably stop talking because it's just so beautiful. The rich colors, the rich hues, but yet the light and airy detail is so much fun. It's like Doritos. It looks like Doritos. So I am loving this. I'm loving the colors. It's bright, but it's more bold than bright. A very different way to look at summer, and therefore I think the name Electric Summer suits this beautifully. The Electric Summer collection is super adorable, and I really hope you're able to get your hands on all of the fun tools and elements that the collection unfolds, making any album page that you do, whether summer related or not, one that you're going to cherish forever. Well, I hope you enjoyed unboxing the Electric Summer collection right along with me. I know that I'm going to be getting more of these paper packs because the rich, bold colors and the fact that on every opposite side of the page is a non-themed design, I know I'm going to go through this like crazy. Have a great day, everyone. I'm Christine Calvino with Styled in Scrapbooks.